Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a culinary sanctuary that blends rustic charm with the bounty of nature. This description explores a rustic kitchen design in your country-style wooden house, seamlessly connected to a peaceful fenced garden. Rustic warmth meets functionality, exposed beam ceiling, rough-hewn wooden beams, stained in a warm honey tone, add architectural interest and create a sense of history in the space. Stone countertops, durable and beautiful stone countertops, like granite or soapstone, complement the rustic charm and provide ample workspace for culinary creations. Warm color palette, earthy tones of beige, warm brown, and green dominate the color scheme, creating a sense of warmth and connection to the natural world outside. Consider pops of color through painted cabinets, vintage cookware displays, or colorful ceramic canisters, salvaged wood accents, reclaimed wood accents, like open shelving or a farmhouse sink surround, add a touch of history and character to the kitchen. Country charm in the details, wrought iron hardware, black wrought iron cabinet hardware and light fixtures add a touch of classic country style and complement the rustic elements. Vintage lighting, pendant lights with glass shades, or vintage sconces bathed in a warm glow create a welcoming atmosphere. Woven textures like wicker baskets for storing linens, a woven rug on the floor, or a pot holder rack made from natural fibers add warmth and a touch of rustic charm. Connection to the fenced garden, large farmhouse sink. A large farmhouse sink with a window overlooking the garden allows you to gaze out at the greenery while washing dishes, creating a connection to nature even during mundane tasks. Herb garden integration. A dedicated herb garden section on a sunny windowsill or a vertical herb wall near the prep area provides fresh ingredients at your fingertips and adds a touch of life to the kitchen. Overall vibe, this rustic kitchen exudes warmth, functionality, and a connection to nature. The exposed beams, stone countertops, and reclaimed wood accents create a sense of history and character. The large farmhouse sink with a garden view and the French doors leading to the fenced garden blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, fostering a sense of tranquility and inviting the beauty of nature into the culinary space. Additional touches, vintage rug. A vintage rug in a traditional country pattern adds a touch of history and warmth to the space. Rustic table and chairs. A sturdy wooden table and chairs with comfortable seating create a gathering spot for breakfast or casual meals. Greenery indoors. Bring the outdoors in with strategically placed potted plants or hanging baskets featuring herbs or trailing vines. Fenced garden design. The fenced garden can be designed for functionality and beauty. Include raised garden beds for vegetables and herbs, flowering plants for color, and a designated area for composting kitchen scraps. This description provides a springboard for your creativity. Personalize it further by incorporating elements that reflect your personal style and the unique charm of your country-style wooden house. Let your imagination flow and create a rustic kitchen that serves as a haven for cooking, connection with nature, and creating lasting memories in your home. There are many compelling reasons to design a rustic kitchen in your country-style wooden house, seamlessly connected to a peaceful fenced garden. Here's why it might be the perfect choice for you: warmth and functionality, inviting atmosphere. The rustic aesthetic, with its focus on natural materials and warm colors, creates a cozy and inviting space perfect for cooking and gathering with loved ones. Durable and functional. Rustic materials like stone countertops and reclaimed wood are known for their durability, making them ideal for a high-traffic area like a kitchen. Connection to nature, exposed beams, woven textures, and a focus on natural materials create a sense of connection to the outdoors. Promoting a sense of peace and tranquility while you cook. Benefits of a fenced garden: fresh, local ingredients. A fenced garden allows you to grow your own herbs, vegetables, and even fruits, providing fresh, local ingredients for your culinary creations. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. French doors leading to the garden create a connection between the kitchen and the outdoors. This allows for natural light to flood the space, and lets you enjoy fresh air and the calming beauty of your garden while preparing meals. Increased functionality. The fenced garden can be designed to accommodate various needs, like a dedicated herb garden near the kitchen door, a composting area for kitchen scraps, or even a small seating area for enjoying meals outdoors. Additional advantages. Versatility. The rustic style is surprisingly versatile and can be adapted to your personal taste. You can incorporate modern elements or focus on a more traditional country aesthetic. Timeless appeal. The rustic style has a timeless appeal that never goes out of fashion. It creates a warm and inviting space that feels lived in and welcoming. Sustainability. Growing your own food and using reclaimed wood furniture contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Overall, a rustic kitchen design in your country-style wooden house with a fenced garden offers a space that is both stylish and functional. It promotes a connection to nature, encourages fresh and local cooking, and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for gathering with loved ones. Here's a roadmap to embark on your journey of designing a rustic kitchen in your country-style wooden house, seamlessly connected to a charming fenced garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Kitchen functionality. Consider how you use your kitchen, cooking style, frequency of entertaining, storage needs. This will guide your layout and appliance choices. Garden design and purpose. Think about the level of maintenance you're comfortable with and how you'd like to use the garden, herb garden, vegetable patch, outdoor dining area. Budget. Determine your overall budget for the kitchen renovation, garden design, and any necessary fencing. This will guide your material selections and project scope. 2. Design inspiration for kitchen. Browse online resources. Websites and magazines showcasing rustic kitchens can provide inspiration for color palettes, cabinet styles, and layout ideas. Consider exposed beam treatments. Decide if you want to paint the existing beams, stain them a warm honey tone, or leave them natural for a more rustic look. Sample and test paint colors. Order paint samples for the walls and cabinets and test them in the kitchen with different lighting conditions to find the perfect warm and inviting shades. 3. Garden design and plant selection. Research your rural climate zone. This helps choose plants that thrive in your environment and require minimal maintenance. Sketch a garden layout. Consider factors like sunlight availability, drainage, designated areas for herb garden, vegetable patch, if desired, and any desired seating area for outdoor dining. Consult with a local nursery or gardening expert. They can advise on selecting plants best suited for a country-style garden in your desired aesthetic. Consider low-maintenance options like herbs, vegetables you enjoy cooking with, flowering plants for color, and perhaps a small fruit tree. 4. Kitchen renovation and material selection. Exposed beam ceiling. Optional if your ceiling doesn't have exposed beams, consider adding them for architectural interest. Stone countertops. Opt for durable and beautiful stone countertops, like granite or soapstone, that complement the rustic charm and provide ample workspace. Cabinetry. Choose cabinets in a warm wood tone or painted in a soft color like sage green or cream. Consider incorporating open shelving for displaying vintage cookware or pottery. Salvaged wood accents. Look for reclaimed wood for open shelving, a farmhouse sink surround, or a breakfast bar for a touch of history and character. 5. Connecting the indoors and outdoors. French doors. If your kitchen doesn't have French doors leading to the garden, consider adding them to maximize natural light and create a seamless flow between the spaces. Large farmhouse sink. Optional if space allows. Consider a large farmhouse sink with a window overlooking the garden for a connection to nature while doing dishes. Herb garden integration. Dedicate a sunny windowsill or create a vertical herb wall near the prep area for easy access to fresh ingredients and a touch of life in the kitchen. Vintage touches. Display vintage cookbooks on open shelves or hang antique copper pots near the window to add a touch of history and connect the kitchen to the rural charm of the garden. 6. Fenced garden design and construction. Choose fence material. Select fence materials that complement your country-style house. Consider a white picket fence, a natural wood fence, or even a stone wall for a more permanent and unique look. Garden features: build raised garden beds for vegetables and herbs, incorporate pathways for easy access, and consider a designated composting area for kitchen scraps. Outdoor seating area, optional if space allows, design a small patio or deck with comfortable seating and a table for enjoying meals outdoors in your peaceful fenced garden. Additional touches: vintage rug. A vintage rug in a traditional country pattern adds warmth and a touch of history to the space. Rustic table and chairs. A sturdy wooden table and chairs with comfortable seating create a gathering spot for meals. Wrought iron hardware. Black wrought iron cabinet hardware and light fixtures add a touch of classic country style and complement the rustic elements. Greenery indoors. Bring the outdoors in with strategically placed potted plants or hanging baskets featuring herbs or trailing vines. Enjoy the process. Take your time and have fun with the process of designing your rustic haven. Consider visiting flea markets or antique shops to find unique rustic decor pieces. By following these steps and personalizing the design to your tastes, you can create a beautiful and functional rustic kitchen seamlessly connected to your charming fenced garden. This will provide a space that fosters a connection to nature, encourages fresh and local. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.